The amazing Wonder Bra is very comfortable. Hundreds of women have submitted positive reviews, describing it as the most comfortable bra they've ever used. This adorable seamless wireless bra with adjustable crisscrossed shaped design to cradle your breast supports your back, improving your shape, and gives your breast an instant lift, all in pure comfort. No more sagging breasts or chafing. Designed with air-permeable mesh and moisture-resisting fabric to reduce sweating, double protection cup to prevent milk leaks in new moms. One reviewer said, "It's so comfortable, it's a mode changer." This bra is great for a night out, to go running, going to the gym, yoga, golfing, cycling, even for a comfortable sleep. Click on the Buy Now button or link in the description below. Don't keep this secret to yourself. Share the video with a friend and drop us a like. Take advantage of our special offer. Buy one, get one free. Use our promo code AWB BOGO.